What's good, YouTube and Underground family, and welcome to our channel. We're Orlando Underground, and today we have something a little special for you guys. As some of you may know, I'm an avid skateboarder, and as a skater, we need music. And well, we don't need music, but we really like music when we skate, and when we it helps us concentrate and relax and get in the zone when we're trying to get our tricks dialed in. So with that being said, I've been without over-ear headphones for some time now, and I really enjoy I can't talk today, over-ear headphones. And when I skate, and I've been using a pair of Altec Lansing earbuds. Usually I purchase Skull Candy because the price and how rugged they are. My friend bought me a set of earbuds that were Altec Lansings, and they were great. So I really wanted to give these a shot when I saw them. The price was good. It was only $15 at DD's, and with how well the earbuds were, I wanted to give these a try. So that being said, let's see what it all comes with. Okay, that's everything in the box. Alright, this is the packaging that comes with the proprietary cable. Okay, and it comes with little instructions. We're all gonna just throw these away most likely. Yeah, the volume controls and all that. Okay, good stuff. Okay, so here they are. They swivel and they fold up, which is really cool when I'm traveling in my backpack. I'll be 100% honest with you guys. I've been using them for about a week, so I would be able to give you an honest opinion on them. They definitely have a premium feel. The cushions are really soft. The volume, the microphone is down here, I believe. The volume is over here on this side, and the power. This is where all your controls are generally. And when I was making phone calls, they sounded great. They definitely have a premium feel in the cushions here as well. They have the Altec Lansing logo here, nice and low key. I'm not a big fan of plastering logos on everything, so that's nice. But it has it on the side for people that do like all that. Let me see. They now getting to the sound quality, they do connect to the phone very well. I haven't had any connection issues, thank goodness, but they lack in a little bit of bass. But if you listen to podcasts or metal or anything along those lines, like they're gonna work great for you. If you listen to anything that's extremely bass heavy, like electronic music or a lot of rap, these might not be the pair for you. They're a little bit lacking in that department, but they don't completely fall flat. They're very clean. The mids and highs are crisp and they're amazing, but when it comes to the bass, it's a bit lacking. But other than that, I've had them for a week. I haven't had to charge them. It says 16 hours playtime up here. It seems to be true. The voice assist, like I haven't tried that yet, but I've charged it once and haven't had to charge it in a week, so it's been pretty cool. It says long-lasting battery, comfortable fit. See, superior sound quality. I mean, deep bass, like not so much, but like the sound quality is decent, so pretty happy. If it was like a 1 to 10 on the sound quality, I would say like a 7. It they nailed the base. This thing for the price would have just knocked it out of the park, but like all in all, I'm really happy with it for $15. Like these are definitely going to be my for the moment go-tos, and until I find something else around that price range that can do everything that this can do. So I hope you guys liked our little review. If you guys get bored and you are interested in cars or Hot Wheels or BMX or skateboarding, we have a couple videos about that. We go to a lot of car shows. We just went to an amazing, one of the best in the world, called Elite Tuners. The video is up now. Yeah, check it out if you get bored. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. We're trying to reach 10,000 subs by the end of the year, next year. So please help with that if you can. But until next time, you guys, happy hunting. Peace.